Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I've had some questions about this force and motion experiment, so I just wanted to help you out with it. Quick little video. So you got to read the introduction. Net force is the sum of all the forces acting on an object. That'll be helpful as you get through the experiment. And our purpose is to understand the motion of objects depends on the sum of the forces on the object and the mass of the object. And we're going to complete this investigation to see how force can change the motion of objects. So you got this little question about Bob, and this goes with a couple other activities, but we're looking at how Bob might need to know about Newton's second law when he's building a water park. Okay, we're going to click on the simulation here. To figure it out, and we're going to do this one, net force. All right, so on your paper, the first thing is answering those two questions, which come from the introduction, so make sure you read that. Then you're going to place a person on each side of the rope, and you're going to hit go, and nothing happens. Then you're going to put return, and you're going to try it again with more people, less people, whatever. This is just, seeing how to operate everything, okay? And then you're gonna click some forces, values. You could do speed, but we really don't need speed for this. And then hit go, and you see all that information you get, okay? All right, so so this one, when you draw the written description thing, it's asking you to draw it like this. Just the two same forces on each side. The sum of the forces is 0, okay? Then you're going to make the blue team win. So you could do that however you'd like. I'm going to add all the people because, that would be just fun. And you can see that the force to the left is 350 newtons, and the force to the right is 50 newtons. So the net force, the sum of the forces, is 300 newtons to the left. And when you click go, then the blue team wins. All right? And you're going to draw that in the little observation box, okay? Or write it. I guess you have to write, more mass on the blue team. This would be really fun if we could draw it. And then more mass on the blue team makes the blue team win. More force. And then you're going to make the red team win, do a tie, and you're going to develop an equation for net force, right? So kind of is given to you right there. And if the net force is not 0, what is the motion of the object going to be like? If the net force is 0, what is the motion going to be like? Well, 0, 0, no motion. And then think of an example of how Bob could use this at his water park. Okay? I hope that helps. Message me on Google, email me, or use Remind Text to contact me. If you have any more questions, I'll be glad to call you. Give me your number or use Remind. That way we don't have each other's number. Or I'll send you a message through Google, or we can set up a Zoom meeting. All right. Love ya. Miss y'all. I know you can do it.